Let's explore gallery blocks. We are adding a gallery as a section. Go to galleries, and here we have some options. Let's start with this one. So gallery works as a section, so it has all the section settings. Click the pen sign to bring up the gallery settings. Here we can change the gallery type, change the width, change the height of this section, change the arrows, turn them into bullets or hide them, display captions, and put it to autoplay. So there are 6 types of galleries that you can use on the site. As you can see, the gallery also has a color theme options, which work as any color theme options in any other section. So for general pages, galleries work as sections, but everything changes in the blog. You can add a gallery block to the blog post. Let me show you how this works. So if I click edit this and click the drop sign, I suddenly have the gallery options here. Let's select grid and let's upload some images. So this gallery is going to live inside of a blog post, and it's going to have its own design options like slideshow, carousel, grid, stacked, and you can modify the way it looks and works inside of a blog post.